अच्छा, फिर दूसरे स्थान का लॉर्ड 5वें स्थान में जाएगा तो कहां से आ रही है पैसा? So well placed second lord will give wealth through lottery. Fifth house is lottery, satta, share, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Education, temples, mantras,
बच्चा आएगा
children
तो
and
पैसा।
government. Government से क्यों बोला?
लियो राशि है ना उसमें,
लियो
नेचुरल
राशि
ज़ोडिएक में।
सूर्य की वजह से।
नहीं,
जॉब, सरकारी जॉब के लिए ये संबंध देखना अच्छा होता है। अगर दूसरे स्थान का संबंध पंचम स्थान से हो तो ये अच्छा संबंध है, क्योंकि फोर्थ हाउस इज ए हाउस ऑफ पब्लिक and fifth house is wealth of the public. Fifth house is wealth of the public. Are you agreeing on this one?
second from
Yes,
fourth.
yes,
Right? Second from fourth.
yes.
My wealth is coming from wealth of the public. All the government employees are paid from taxes.
Public taxes.
Right? So this is a good combination for a government job. Okay. Ab malefic association here will destroy all the wealth through this means. That means second lord is getting into the fourth house, but it is malefically influenced. I will have a lot of desire to put my money into shares, lottery, but this will all finished. Okay. Here the second lord is into the fifth house. Fifth house is my purva punya. And when it is going into the fifth house, it is going fourth from its own house, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Second और fourth में जो संबंध है वो fourth 10th है, right?
Yes, sir.
So second lord, fourth house is a house of convenience also, right?
Yes.
Pleasure का स्थान.
Correct.
So second lord getting fourth from itself is saying that money will be easy, easy money, right? And whenever second lord or 11th lord will create a combination between either fifth lord or ninth lord, the person will be wealthy. Why I am saying so?
लक्ष्मी स्थान है ना दोनों,
Correct.
5 and
Fifth
9.
house is Lakshmi Sthan. So then you will get Kripa of Lakshmi. So if it is having an association with the ninth house, the Kripa, you are more Bhagyashali. If it is in the second house, you are born in a family which is like wealthy people, right? Because you get a wealthy family from your Purva Punya. Agar fifth house mein, if Venus is into the fifth house with second lord, you want to say that?
Yes, correct, yes.
That person will be a superb consultant.
Okay.
Venus is consultant, right? Guru and Venus both are consultant.
Yes.
Fifth house is a house of advice.
Yes.
We are saying wherever Venus is sitting, Lakshmi will come from that place. If Venus is in the fifth house, Lakshmi will come from here. My mind. Venus is consultant. I will give advices to the people and I will earn money. So this is the, I mean, this is the way. Depending upon the planet, you can filter it out. Right? If Mars is going, Mars is engineer. Every person is using his or her own intellect to earn money, right?
Yes.
ऐसा तो कोई भी, there's nobody in this planet who अपना, I mean, we cannot say कि a beggar on the street is super rich. I mean, there are beggar on the street in Mumbai.
Some of them are millionaires, yeah.
Some of them are millionaires. Again, that is coming from the Purva Punya. If this planet is sitting into the fifth house of my intellect or my Purva Punya, it will look at my 11th house.
Yes.
When it will look at my 11th house, depending upon the planet, if it is a Shubh planet, say suppose Jupiter, being the second lord, Vrashchik Lagna, Jupiter being the second lord going into the fifth house, looking at my 11th house, then there will be immense money, right? Because Jupiter will increase that income. So now what is happening? Jupiter, which is a Karka for 11th house and second house, it is sitting in my Purva Punya, increasing my income, increasing my saving also. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.